4 things to look for in a land surveying company. Land surveying is the science and art of establishing corners, boundaries, lines, and monuments based on historical evidence, recorded evidence, and present standards of practice. It also includes services such as analysis and utilization of survey data, construction layout, and writing legal descriptions. Additionally, land surveyors measure and map land use using advanced technology and equipment such as sophisticated GPS, robotic total stations, and scanners. One of the things you need to consider before you purchase land or start your construction is hiring a good land surveying company. They'll help establish your boundaries and guide you throughout the whole process. Here are some of the things to look for in a land surveying company. 1. Communication. This is an essential but underrated skill that all land surveying companies should have. The land surveyors must be clear, confident, and accurate when doing any land surveys. Whether they are drafting findings or speaking to clients, they should know how to communicate appropriately. The land surveyors should be able to help you understand the essential details of the project, the amount of time it will probably take, and explain the technicalities they are likely to get into through the survey process. Being aware of all this will help you understand what the total price for the survey services include. You won't want to work with a survey company that doesn't listen to and address your unique needs. Choose surveyors that are humble enough to listen to you, to your voice out, to you voice to enough to listen to you, voice out your concerns without being too quick to judge. They should also allow you to ask as many questions as you wish, since you, the customer, are the king in this deal. Such effective listening on their part goes a long way to ensure the success of the survey project. 2. Qualifications. The exact qualifications of a land surveyor vary depending on the type of the land survey. However, there are general qualifications that cut across all survey companies. These include a degree in civil engineering, land surveying, or any relevant field, a legitimate surveyor certificate. It's also important that the land surveyor have knowledge of GIS systems, GPS, and computer-aided design software. Moreover, you need to look at a land surveying company's past projects before choosing it. If it has existed for a long time, chances are high that they have already handled various projects. So make a point of reading the reviews of past clients and determine whether a majority of them were satisfied with the company's services. Choosing a survey company with a good reputation gives you much more confidence to allow them to do your project. 3. High quality equipment. You need to go for a land surveying company that uses high quality and up-to-date equipment so that they may do a quality and land survey. Going for a company that doesn't use up-to-date equipment is setting your property up for failure. For that reason, you need to look for land surveyors that combine tried and true traditional methods of measurement. They should use them with the help of cutting-edge equipment and technology to give you the most accurate account of your land's boundaries. These include electronic distance measurement instruments, automatic labeling, global positioning systems, compasses, clinometers, modern total stations, transits, theodolites, and magnetic locators. In addition to that, they should be able to perform extensive calculations using the existing register plans and the data they have already collected to determine the location of your boundaries. As a client, you may not have a thorough knowledge of companies that use such equipment. Therefore, it will be best to consult a professional expert before you buy property to start your construction project. They'll direct you to a survey company that uses a modern equipment. 4. Quality control. If it will help if you ascertain that the land surveying company you are about to choose will maintain quality standards during the operation. There are a few indicators that will give you a clue that the land surveyors you are interested in hiring will maintain these standards. First, just like any other qualified professional, they should approach their work professionally, using universally accepted standard operating procedures. To establish this, you can visit the company as it conducts another client's land survey to see how the surveyors are doing it. You can consider hiring them if you notice that they are very organized and have given supporting documentation and accurate results after completing the project. Also, it will be best if you looked at how they have presented the results. A good presentation with charts, infographics, proper statistics, tables, line and bar graphs shows that the land surveying company knows what it's doing and it's excellent as at its craft. Presentation skills are equally very important because it determines your understanding and the success of the project. The surveyors need to explain the results in a way that anyone can understand what's happening. 70% of employed Americans who give presentations agree that presentations are critical to their work success. This is true because if clients get the idea of the work a company has done, chances are high that they will hire them again. Therefore, you need to ensure that the land surveying company of your choice will be able to maintain these standards once they start doing the land surveying. Conclusion: land surveying is quite important when you want to buy land or start a construction project. Some of the things you need to look for in a land surveying company are effective communication, quality control, proper equipment, and the right qualification. All these are determinant factors to the success of your project.